Windsurfing!
Time for my windsurfing lesson. Although I might just have a swim today because I'm exhausted. It's been a very busy day.
Lots of laundry.
Laundry day.
Draped around the boat.
And spun dry. Thank you to Alex for using her washing machine and spinning for me.
Makes a big difference.
She's a little angel. Right. Let's go. I'm Jo and this is Rob. And we live on board our floating home Double Trouble. To follow our adventures, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes. The northernmost anchorage at Ailuk Lagoon was definitely our favourite. It offered good protection due to a long sand spit that provided a sheltered blue lagoon at low tide. This was the perfect spot for Andrew from Offshore Haven to give us all windsurfing lessons. Brave man. Before we started, Andrew showed us how it should be done. We spent a few days and a lot of hours cooling off in the shallows while we all took turns falling off a board, with Andrew shouting helpful suggestions to correct the many errors that we made.
Hold the mask closer to you, bend your elbows more, and bring it in closer to you a bit.
And we're sailing.
As we gained confidence, we ventured further out, and we used the tender as a support boat, so Andrew could continue yelling helpful advice and also to retrieve the board back to the shallows when one of us inevitably crashed and burned.
That was really good, Joe. Just get used to managing the sail. Don't worry about steering at all, as long as you're moving across the wind.
Over the course of a few days under Andrew's expert guidance, most of us noticed some great improvement. However, Rob's board seemed to be much more wobbly than everybody else's. But we all had our fair share of splashdowns. Great fun.
Andrew's showing the steering. We're not that advanced yet. Well, Alex is. No, I'm not. I'm wearing scuba gear the next time we do this.
Board of the centre line and then back of the centre line.
Now he's going down.
Yeah, and he's actually turning.
It's just hard yards lifting the sail up every time, eh?
A lot of work for very little reward, eh? At the start. Getting to a point of being able to sail regularly and have fun. A lot of people give up because you get so tired.
Okay.
I'm done.
Let's have a look at your clown face.
You like it? It actually says invisible.
Well, it's not invisible.
Invisible to you? Is it?
Yeah.
There's the contrast between the two.
What's today's job, Bobbity?
Well, I've just noticed a bit of rust on this front panel of our Honda generator, so I'm just cleaning rust today. Not sure, I think it's just because it's basically galvanized metal, so I've taken the panel off. So I've already sanded and got rid of most of the rust on the top of here, but that's basically what I'm trying to get rid of. So I've got a product called Rust Converter, which is a liquid, and you just brush it on and it will basically oxidize and seal the rust in, and then you can kind of prime it from there if you need to. So
The joys of living in a salty environment.
yeah, it's just because it's galvanized metal basically, it's not marinized particularly, but this is after 3 or 4 years, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, coming up 3.5 years now.
And then once I've done this on this top edge, I'm going to put some zinc primer I've got there, so I'll put that on.
Once you've done that, it's time for a cup of coffee, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty much a morning's
coffee
work.
o'clock.
So we are in Ailuk still, in the northern anchorage, and the wind here predominantly is always east-northeast. What we are experiencing today is south-southwest. So we had a wind shift last night at about 2 in the morning. We always anchor as if we are going to have a lee shore wind happen to us. So we've got a good turning circle here. The beach is behind us now. Fortunately, the bottom here for anchoring is a fairly consistent 15 meters. It hasn't got a steep slope like some of the other atolls. So we have lots of scope, have put the anchor in so that we can basically do a full 360 and not worry about it.
It's a grey and rainy day in Ailuk Atoll.
It is. The only advantage is that we're not using the water maker and we're making heaps of water.
Lazy day. We're hopefully going to have another dive today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Later.
I might do some cleaning in a minute when I get around to it.
Well, so much for the diving day.
Yeah.
What are you doing instead, darling?
Collecting the water.
Unscrubbing the boat. It's grim, and it looks like Andrew's on the front of his boat. You can't see him because it's so cloudy. I don't even think you can see Uno Mas out there in the cloud. This is what happens when we plan to go out to the reef for the day.
Yep.
You're doing a sterling job there, darling.
Thank you. I think we've collected about 100 litres already.
Pouring off the roof.
We're filling one bucket in about 3 minutes, so 15 litres.
And here's us thinking we were going to have to cut the tanks off today.
I put about an hour's worth of water in about the last 10 minutes.
We should have our automatic system set up.
Yeah.
We're supposed to have a hose that runs from the roof straight into the tank, so we don't have to do this. And that red bucket's nearly full again.
Yep.
What we do is, if it hasn't rained for a while, we let it rain for a little while without collecting, so it washes the salt off the boat, so we don't get salt. You can see these channels come down either side, and we collect a goodly amount of water.
Well, we're going to have full tanks in the next half hour, I reckon.
Yeah, they're getting up there, right?
That'll be about 150 litres.
God, that bucket's full already.
Yep. As soon as you empty one, the other one's full.
Free! We like free. It's wet. It's refreshing. Right, I'm going to go and have a shower off the bat. That's what happens when you plan a dive trip to the outer reef. Oh, and our back tank is now full. This is the tank we normally fill up and use as a rinse tank after diving, and you can see that that's full to the brim now. That was empty an hour ago. It pours off the roof. We're only collecting some of what's coming off the roof as well. Marvellous. Hubster getting us a drink in coconut shucked there.
Just pausing for the sunset.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up below if you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to support our adventures, you can buy us a coffee over on our Ko-fi website, and the link is in the description below.